why dikit jadi wa kay buhaton no.
Anong balik-balik ko na?
Okay, my task for this afternoon is to report the activity 3, which is read items 7 to 11 of Appendix D of DepEd Memorandum PMCI 2020-00162. After you read the guidelines on creating an ILMP, copy and fill out the table below in your study notebook to see how the individual learning monitoring plan differs from the weekly home learning plan. So we are going to differentiate the content of the individual learning monitoring plan and the weekly home learning plan. Okay, so this is our table. So we have here, the first column is the purpose, for whom and the component, and has to be communicated to parent. It has to be, or it should be communicated to the parents or not. Okay, under the weekly home learning plan, the purpose of this WHLP, the purpose of this is, it is a blueprint for learners and learning facilitators or household partners in finding the subject. No. Okay, so the purpose of weekly home learning plan, it is a blueprint for learners and learning facilitators or household partners in finding the subject areas to be answered in activities to perform at home, while the individual learning monitoring plan is a tool for monitoring learners who lag behind based on the results of their formative and summative assessment. So, in short, weekly home learning plan is a blueprint, and the individual learning monitoring plan is a tool for monitoring learners. Okay, for whom is the weekly home learning plan and individual learning monitoring plan? Okay, so weekly home learning plan is for the learners and faculty members or household partners. And the individual learning monitoring plan is for teachers, learning facilitators, or household partners. So the same sila. Para asa, ang weekly home learning plan and individual learning monitoring plan, para asa siya. Ha? The weekly home learning plan, the answer is, yeah, for whom naman tamang yun na? Nanatadali sa for whom. Okay, so ang weekly home learning plan, learners and for the learners, faculty members, or household partners. Whereas the individual learning monitoring plan is the same. Teachers, for the teachers and learning facilitator or household partners. Okay, and the next will be the components. The component of weekly home learning plan are learning area, learning competencies, learning tasks, and mode of delivery. Then the individual learning monitoring plan, the components of this are learners' needs, intervention strategies, monitoring date, learners' status. It has to be communicated to parents. The question is, it has to be communicated to parents. The answer under weekly home learning plan is Yes. And under individual learning monitoring plan is yes, of course. So that's it, Pansit. We're done for this afternoon.
Barangay clap!
Barangay clap! Ulit na ta. It's your turn, Ma'am Leona.